loyal to the AfrA Alumni Network.
I do so at the risk of my official status, reputation, honor, and fortune. Thank you.
And I'm proud to say I'm a member of the German African Leadership Academy. And yesterday we were so privileged to have our first General Assembly meeting in Accra City, where we had the opportunity to elect our executives.
I think the AfrA Alumni Network will give us the opportunity to network, to share opportunities for our colleagues and to gain more experience.
We discussed topics on food nutrition, and today we've spoken about food security, food sovereignty, and then we're going to later discuss about the whole issue of climate adaptation and climate finance.